What's up, world? Thanks for jumping in for another ride. We need to remove the windshield wiper cowl on our 2018 Ford Edge Sport to access the rearmost bolt to remove the strut and spring assembly on the front of our 2018 Ford Edge. So let's get to it. We'll show you how to remove this cowl. It's really simple. Don't be intimidated by it. We're going to start with the windshield wipers. It's just going to start out with 2 rubber plugs and a 15mm. I'll grab a couple of tools and we'll get this cowl off real quick. So to remove the wipers, you're just going to have a rubber plug like so. Then the nut is a 15mm. You obviously don't need a power tool, but this will make life a little easier. Then once your nut's off, you just push on the wiper and it'll start to move. Actually, I think I can go this way. There you go, you can see it, like so. Now adjust, same thing on the other side. And those springs on those wipers will have a little bit of tension against that windshield, so just be aware of that while you're working it off. It's normal. There's 7 metal clips across the front. I'm just gonna use a plastic trim tool, but you can use a screwdriver or anything. And all you're gonna do is just get under it, push it, give it a pull, and it'll come right off. So get all 7 of those metal clips off. Now we're on the driver's side, and down in here, just plastic push pin. So there's a top and then the base of it. I'm just gonna use a small plastic tool. This is for trim, but you can really use just about anything, screwdriver, whatever, if you need to get started under it, not a big deal. You can pick these trim tools up also in our affiliate links for Summit Racing. That's where I've got these at. Pulls right out. Then go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side. That's what those pins look like once they're all the way out with the tops and the base, just for reference. I'm showing you on the driver's side. You can see sticking out right there, there is a pin. So basically what you need to do is, it goes in from the side, so just pry this section here towards the center of the windshield, and that will release that pin. You don't have to do anything else, just pry it out and it'll come loose. Like that. I'm gonna run over to the passenger side. And those are the 2 that go in from the side. Once those are released, just start working your way around and it'll start coming loose from the windshield. Go over to the other side. And just so that you can see, now we can access that bolt. Not a big deal to get to. Now on the passenger side, it's kind of tucked down behind that wiring harness, but it is back there. That is accessing the strut tire bolts on the Ford Edge. And that removes the wiper cowl on our Ford Edge so that we can access those strut tire bolts. So listen, I really hope this video has helped you out in some way. If it has, you know the deal. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, jump in for another ride.